Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I wanted to cover something I've been teaching to my students for some time, and we've been seeing some great success. The method I'm going to show you today is so simple and extremely easy to implement. You'll be shocked at how easy it actually is. So, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You'll find loads of videos just like this one, showing you how you can make a real income online. All of these methods have been tried and tested, so you have the comfort of knowing you can actually make money and you're not wasting your time and efforts. I'm also giving a bonus away at the end of this video, so make sure you hang around. And please don't skip any parts of this video, as you may miss some of the crucial parts of the process. This tutorial covers dropshipping and how you can do this with no stock or inventory, no setup fees, no risk, and you only ship the item when your customer pays you. And best of all, it's accepted by both of the companies we are going to use. So, no risk of being banned or your accounts being restricted. This method is absolutely foolproof. And you can do this wherever you are in the world, as both of the companies we are going to use are global giants. This method is used by eBay Powersellers all over the globe. Believe me, they're not going to be happy as they want this kept a secret. And I'm going to complete this with you step by step as over-the-shoulder training. One of my students in the UK has kindly let us use his accounts for this demonstration. So let's take a look at the 3 websites we're going to be using. 2 of the websites are going to be related to finding and selling our products. The 3rd website, well, this is key. I'll show you why shortly. First of all, you are going to need to sign into your eBay account. If you don't have an eBay account, it's quick and easy to set up. First, search Google for eBay sign up and click the link. It will take you to the sign up page where you add your personal details. It'll ask for your name, email address, and to also create a password. You can even use Google, Facebook, or Apple to create your account. If you already have an account, then just log in to get started. Now, once your account has been created, we need to search for some products on eBay. For this demonstration, I've chosen smoothie makers as they are quite a popular item. I've sold smoothie makers in the past, and they are always a great product to sell. As we live in a world where people want to become fit and healthy, these items are always in high demand. A little tip: health products always sell well. This also includes sports accessories, sporting equipment, and sportswear. You get the idea. You can see how many items are listed. So how do you know which item to choose? We have to look for specific items, so look for items you can see are in popular demand. You can see what items have people watching them and which items are currently being sold. Don't choose any products with no activity, as these items won't sell for you. We need to find products that people are interested in purchasing. It only takes a few seconds to locate a hot-selling product. So have a look and choose a product that meets our criteria. Let's choose this one. You can see it has 15 people watching and has 13 sales. This is a good product for us to test. We now copy the product description and we head over to the next website we'll be using, which is Amazon. Again, if you don't already have an Amazon account, simply follow their registration process. Now paste the product description into the search bar of Amazon and click search. You can then locate the same product as we have just seen on eBay. You see the difference? Yes, that's right. The price of the product is cheaper on Amazon than it is on eBay. We do need to be careful as it does state limited offer. So we would have to keep an eye on this to make sure it doesn't change. It rarely does, but I would advise checking your items on a regular basis just in case any prices do change. Okay, now we have an item we know sells on eBay and is cheaper to purchase on Amazon. So now on to the most important part. The 3rd and most important website is called ebayfeescalculator.com. This is where we input our pricing and check what profits we can make. You can see this is available in different countries. We are using UK accounts for this demonstration. We'll choose Great Britain. So let's have a look at our pricing. The item is being sold on eBay for £29.50. We type this in the sold price section. Amazon shows the price as £18. So we add this to the item cost section. You can see on Amazon, there's Amazon Prime. I would certainly advise purchasing this feature. It costs around $60 or £75 for a year's subscription. However, you will get fast and free shipping. Most items on Prime will be shipped the very same day, meaning your customers receive their product the next day. This is great for receiving positive feedback on your eBay account. You can see the profit for this eBay seller is over £7. Plus, they've sold 13 items, giving them a total profit of over £96. Almost £100 for listing only one product on eBay. Imagine the profits you will make listing multiple products that also sell well. The final part of the process is to list your item for sale on eBay. A quick hack is to click the Sell It Yourself link under the other seller's item. This is great to use as all of the product details have been pre-populated for us. This in itself will save us a great deal of time. You can keep the title the same too. We know this item is already selling, so people are actually searching for this heading. Make sure you mark the condition of the item as new. We will have to upload images of the product. To do this, head back over to Amazon, click the image of the item. This will open a box where all the images will be displayed. Have a look at the ones here for this particular product. They look professional, they are high quality, and they also provide the features and benefits of the product, as well as marketing the item very well. All of these images are there for you to download. So, make sure you use all of them. This will make your eBay listing really stand out and look professional. Go back to eBay, add your first image, and upload your saved image from your device. Repeat this until all images have been uploaded. The more images you have, the better. It really helps with selling items on eBay. Buyers love to look at images, especially ones that provide information and showing other people using the product. When scrolling down the page, you can keep all of this information the same as this has all been imported for us. Now we need to add a product description. Again, head over to Amazon. Scroll down to the manufacturer description. You'll find this towards the end of the page. Once you locate the manufacturer description, simply copy the whole post, including text and images. Head over to eBay and simply paste into the description section. This will provide you with a professional-looking description on your eBay listing. Again, this will make you stand out from the competition. When pricing your item, always use fixed price as we don't want to be using the auction method. With the previous seller selling at £29.50, this gives us a competitive edge. We know they are making over £7 profit. So we can reduce our item by a couple of pounds and still make over £5 per sale. When entering the quantity, place 10 in the space provided. This saves you having to list the item multiple times when it sells. Plus, this makes you look as though you have your items in stock. As I have a Prime subscription, this provides fast and free shipping. This is an excellent service to offer your customers. This certainly helps with the sale of your items and increases your positive feedback on eBay. And finally, we are ready to list your item. You'll also see the item is completely free to list. This means you will only pay your eBay fees once an item sells. You can see your eBay fees on the calculator website we looked at earlier. And there you go. A professional-looking listing on eBay, all free of charge. You will also make a profit as well as being competitive. You can now complete this same strategy for multiple items. When your item sells on eBay, head over to Amazon and add the item to your basket. Then proceed to checkout. It will ask you for a shipping address. You then simply copy and paste the buyer's name and address details from eBay and enter them into Amazon. The billing address will be your own address details and your own debit or credit card to purchase the product. So once you receive your money from eBay, you purchase the product on Amazon and keep your profits. You'll also see a box to check that says this item is a gift. Check this box as this stops any receipts being sent to the buyer. Well, this is a great way to earn an income online. It's simple to set up and manage. I would suggest to create a spreadsheet to help you track what items you are selling and the profit you're making. Typically, you could be earning anywhere from $600 to $2,000 per month. It does depend on the items you're selling and the amount of items you have for sale. Now, I did promise you a bonus at the end of this video. I've placed a link in the description below where you can download my free ebook on this system. It takes you step by step in full detail, from setting up your eBay and Amazon accounts to how to find hot-selling products whilst making great profit margins. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you could share this video with others who you think would benefit from it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.